Assalamu alaikum everyone, hope you're doing well. I'm Nia Fatima and welcome back to my channel Arabic Classes with Nia. In today's video, we're gonna learn greetings and goodbyes in Arabic. So this will be one of the first video from our lessons, Basic Conversation in Arabic. In this lesson, we will be going to learn a conversation between Noora and Alia. In this conversation, you are going to learn how to greet other people when you see them and how to even leave after greeting, like goodbyes. Yeah, so let's begin. So first, Noora says hello to Alia. So it means in Arabic, Assalamu alaikum. And Assalamu alaikum also means peace be upon you. So don't get confused. And now Alia replies back to Noora that wa alaykum assalam, which means hello, but it also means peace be upon you too. Let's see what Noora replies. So here is what Noora replies. Noora replies, how are you? Which means kayfa haluk. She is asking Alia. And then Alia replies, I am absolutely fine, thank you. And you, how are you? And then in Arabic it is known as أنا بخير تماما شكرا لك وأنتِ كيف حالك. So now Alia is asking back to Noora. Let's see what Noora says. And then Noora says, I'm fine too, thank you. And that means أنا بخير جدا شكرا لك. And after that Alia says, so what's new? Which means فما هو جديد. And then Noora replies back, nothing new, which means لا شيء جديد. And then Alia says, I have to go now, which means يجب أن أذهب الآن. And then Noora says, okay, goodbye, which means موافق فأي أمان الله. And then Alia says, goodbye and good night. في أمان الله وليلة سعيدة. And then at last Noora says, good night, which means ليلة سعيدة. Now let's see a short animation of this so that you can understand more clearly and it will be very fun. So let's see. Assalamu alaikum. Wa alaikum assalam. كيف حالك؟ أنا بخير تماما شكرا لك وأنتِ كيف حالك؟ أنا بخير جدا شكرا لك. فما هو جديد؟ لا شيء جديد. يجب أن أذهب الآن. موافق فأي أمان الله. في أمان الله ليلة سعيدة. ليلة سعيدة.